Welcome to Vision Creative Group. We are currently at a project called as Vision Aristo. I am Naresh Hampiholi and I'll take you through the project. Let's take a look at our model. This is our entire complex resting on 2.5 acres of land, which is on a 18-meter road. We have A, B, C and D buildings. We have 2 and 3 BHKs and we have 50 shops below. And as we come on to the rear side of the building, here we have all the amenities. We have a clubhouse, we have a children's play area, and we have all the amenities out here. We also have a beautiful gymnasium. Let's come to the sample flat. We are at the entrance of the sample flat. At the entrance you will see that we have a one-touch video door phone system. Now as we enter you will find that the doors are 7 feet in height and all these doors are 35 mm thick and they come with a decorative laminate. We have a little lobby out here which is 5 by 4, which is convenient for you to have your shoe rack. You can have your shoe rack out here, and then as you walk in here we have a living dining which is 11 by 16.5. The entire flat is decorated with 800 by 800 double charged vitrified tiles to give you the best of the looks. Along with the living, here we have a balcony, a covered balcony wherein you get maximum privacy. From here we will come to the kitchen. This kitchen is 9.5 by 9 feet. And here we have a kitchen platform which is made up of a full body vitrified slab, and plus we are providing you a stainless steel sink along with a wonderful place which we call as a dry balcony, where we have provision for a washing machine, and this is a covered dry balcony which gives you again privacy plus security for all your equipment. Here there is space for your refrigerator and other equipment, electrical equipment that you would love to keep. From here, let's come into this particular children's bedroom. This is children's bedroom which is 10 feet by 10 feet. And the best part of this bedroom is it comes with a window which has got a sitting ledge. Now let's come to this common space. Here we have a common wash basin, and then this is a common toilet. And as you see, we are using all the designer tiles out here, and in this common toilet you will find that all the CP fittings and sanitary fittings are from the house of Jaguar. Let's come to the master bedroom. This master bedroom is 11 by 12 and a half. Spacious enough for the family, and as you notice out here, we also have an attached toilet bath. In the attached toilet bath, again we have CP fittings which are of Jaguar made, and plus we also have the designer tiles out here. Okay, I would like to bring to your notice that throughout the flat we are using Legrand switches. And here, as we come on to this place, here notice that all the windows and the sliding doors that we are using are powder coated aluminium windows along with a mosquito net. So it's basically a 3-track windows with mosquito net, which is for you again security. Right? Thank you.